I tested one of the most popular strategies on YouTube, which is the MACD strategy 100 times, but this time on Volatility 75 index. From my experience of testing many strategies for this channel, I've realized that most strategies that perform well with currencies, they even do better with synthetic indices like volatility indices. So when I went ahead and tested this strategy, I was hoping for better results because I already had tested it on currencies. And for sure, I did found better results. In this video, I'm gonna show you the strategy, the results, and what I think you should do. So if that interests you, make sure you like this video so that you can help me reach and help more people. So this strategy uses two indicators, and these indicators are number one, the MACD, which is down here, and then the 200 period moving average. And this is how we use these indicators. First, the 200 period moving average is going to help us filter the trend, know which is the long-term trend. So we need to know, is the market in a long-term uptrend or is the market in a long-term downtrend? So if the market is above the 200 period moving average, we know that the market is in a long-term uptrend. So to enter the trade, we want to see the MACD crossing over, right? So this strategy is a very popular strategy. You know that when the MACD is crossing over here, the market is turning momentum. So if the market was in a long-term uptrend, think about if the market was in a long-term uptrend and then you see the market pulling back towards the 200 period moving average, but once the market is pulling back, you see the MACD confirming to you that the market is now going to the upside. So that's when you enter the trade right here when the market is crossing, right? So if you can see this, when the market crossed right here, going into the same direction of the long-term trend, you see that the market, there was an opportunity to make money. And also here, the market was turning, going into the long-term trend, and the MACD crossed, showing us that there is a huge opportunity to make money. So let me show you the downtrend side of this strategy. So what you want to do here, so you want to see the MACD crossing, going to the downside, and also the market being in a long-term downtrend. So these were all selling opportunities because the MACD is crossing and is going to the downside, and also the market is below the 200 period moving average, and this confirms that this is a long-term downtrend. So this strategy is a very profitable strategy. From the other tests that I have done, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a 100 test on Volatility 75 index, and I'm gonna give you the results in a minute. So let's go ahead.
2 hours later.
So after testing this strategy 100 times, guys, I can't believe the results. This strategy, if just won 69% of the time with a risk to reward ratio of 2-to-1, this strategy could triple your account in 100 trades. So this is one of the best strategies that I have ever tested, right? If you want to see which platform is this that I was testing, this is called TradingView for binary.com. You can trade synthetic indices on this platform, but I just use it for analyzing and testing my strategies. So if you want to use the same broker as me that use this same platform, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You need to click on the screen so that you can watch the other strategy that I've used to grow a $5 account to $288 in less than a month. So let's go.